Imagine waking up one morning, reaching for your favorite mug, and realizing it feels just a little heavier than it used to. Or maybe you notice that climbing the stairs leaves you more winded than before, and carrying groceries from the car seems like a mini workout. If you're over 60, you might be nodding along right now. But what if I told you there's just one daily habit that could help you restore muscle strength? So much so you'll feel like you're 40 again? And trust me, you won't believe how simple it is. Stick around, because the last tip I share today is the one most people overlook, but it's a total game changer. Let's talk about something that sneaks up on almost everyone as we age: sarcopenia. It's a fancy word, but the reality is simple. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that starts creeping in after age 50. In fact, by the time we hit 60, up to 1 in 3 adults is already feeling its effects. It's like a silent thief slowly robbing us of our independence, making everyday tasks, like getting up from a chair or opening a jar, feel harder than they should. But here's the good news. You're not powerless. In fact, you can fight back, and you can start today. Let me introduce you to Lisa. She's 62, full of life, and for years, she thought her daily walks and a bit of stretching were enough to keep her strong. But then, she started noticing little things. Her energy dipped, her knees ached, and suddenly, lifting her grandkids felt like lifting a sack of potatoes. Lisa was frustrated. She thought, is this just what getting older feels like? But then Lisa discovered the secret I'm about to share with you. She made one simple change to her daily routine, and within weeks, she felt a difference. Her energy soared, her joint pain faded, and she started moving with the confidence she hadn't felt in years. What did Lisa do? She embraced resistance training, and it changed everything. Now, don't get me wrong. Walking is fantastic for your heart, your mood, and your overall health. But here's a common misconception. Walking alone isn't enough to maintain or rebuild muscle strength as we age. Think of your muscles like a savings account. Every time you do strength training, you're making a deposit. But as we get older, our bodies naturally make withdrawals, unless we actively put more in. Walking mostly works your endurance muscles, not the deep, powerful fibers that keep you strong and steady. If you want to truly restore your strength, you need to challenge your muscles in a different way. So, what's the magic habit? Resistance training, also known as strength training. And before you picture bodybuilders or heavy gym equipment, let me reassure you, resistance training can be as simple as using your own body weight, a pair of light dumbbells, or even a resistance band. Here's why it works. As we age, our muscles need a little extra encouragement to stay strong. Resistance training sends a powerful signal to your body. Hey, we still need these muscles. Studies show that older adults who do regular strength exercises can increase their muscle strength by 20 to 40% in just a few months. That's not just a number. That's the difference between struggling to get out of a chair and popping up with ease. And the benefits don't stop there. Resistance training also improves your balance, coordination, and bone density, helping to prevent falls and fractures, which are some of the biggest risks for seniors. It's like giving your body a full upgrade, inside and out. Let's talk about Luka. After retiring, Luka found himself slowing down, lifting boxes, playing with his grandkids, even gardening. Everything felt harder. He started to worry. Is this my new normal? But instead of giving in, Luka decided to try something new. He started a simple daily routine of resistance exercises. Nothing fancy, just bodyweight squats, push-ups against the wall, and some light dumbbell curls. At first, it was tough, but Luka stuck with it. And after just a few weeks, he noticed something incredible. He had more energy, his mood improved, and those everyday tasks, they started to feel easy again. Luka's story is proof that it's never too late to reclaim your strength and your life. Ready to get started? Here's a simple, safe routine you can do at home. No special equipment needed. And remember, the third exercise is my personal favorite, so don't skip it. 1. Body weight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can, then stand back up. Aim for 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. 2. Push-ups, modified. If regular push-ups are too challenging, start with your knees on the floor or do them against a wall. Try for 2 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions. 3. Seated leg raises. Sit in a sturdy chair, straighten one leg, hold for a few seconds, then lower it. Alternate legs. Do 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. This one is fantastic for building leg strength and stability. Don't underestimate it. 4. Standing calf raises. Stand tall, lift your heels off the ground, and slowly lower them back down. Try 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Start with what feels manageable and focus on good form. Consistency is key. Aim for this routine 2 to 3 times a week and gradually increase your sets or reps as you get stronger. And if you're new to exercise or have any health concerns, check with your doctor before starting. But wait, there's one more piece to the puzzle, and it's just as important as exercise: nutrition. Specifically, protein. As we age, our bodies need more protein to repair and build muscle. Think of protein as the building blocks your muscles crave after a workout. Great sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and nuts. Try to include a source of protein with every meal, and especially after your workout. In fact, research shows that having a protein-rich snack or meal within 30 minutes of exercising can supercharge your muscle recovery and growth. So after your squats and leg raises, treat yourself to a Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or a slice of turkey on whole grain bread. Let's recap. Muscle loss isn't inevitable. With just one daily habit, resistance training, you can restore your strength, boost your energy, and move through life with confidence. Remember Lisa and Luka? They started small, stayed consistent, and transformed their lives. You can too. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one exercise from today's routine and commit to doing it tomorrow. Just one. Then, come back and let us know in the comments how you feel. Your story could inspire someone else to take that first step. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with a friend or family member who could use a little extra strength in their life. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips on living your healthiest, happiest years. Remember, age is just a number. With the right habits, you can feel strong, capable, and full of life, no matter what your birth certificate says. Imagine yourself a few months from now, climbing stairs with ease, playing with your grandkids, and moving through your day with energy and confidence. That future is within your reach, starting with just one daily habit. You've got this. Here's to restoring your strength and living your best life, one day and one rep at a time.